southbound Airbus 320 climbing 9,000. 1,000, we are deviating for 2 nautical miles right now, Victor 317. Be exiting the apron at Juliet Charlie. The taxi by Juliet Charlie today. We push back and start at your discretion. Be an Airbus inbound on the Juliet Charlie line. They're going to be parking at gate 46.
Your traffic just coming at a 12 o'clock position, 2 miles. It's westbound Airbus 319, descending on 11 for 10.
Thanks for Canada 978.
Correction 2060, turn right heading 160.
Express 317, there is traffic about 10:33 miles southbound company. Beaver 400 feet, should pass about a mile and a half off your left-hand side. Jazz 629, descend 3,000 unrestricted. 6,000 for Canada 978.
Thank you for departure. Identify climb 16,000.
16,000 Air Canada 200.
There's one more for you to look out for. Traffic 3 o'clock, 2 miles westbound Otter, download 100, no pass behind you. You're holding off the 36 and an RJ in your usual startup box.
Watch your rerouted towards Bellingham there, so out of 12,000, make a left turn heading 0. Climb 16,000.
London 329, give way to the Air Canada on the apron. They'll join Juliet in front of you.
Way to the aircraft Air Canada, London 329.
Express 5219, Company Twin Otters orbiting just off Point Curry, 1 o'clock and 3 miles, we'll stay off your right.
78 taxi by Alpha, cross runway 31.
130.
6 o'clock. 130 Canada 550. Request 500 feet to the Canada.
Transport 951 for Beech 1900, leaving the south terminal.
Off your right at 500 feet. Insight for becoming traffic and clear to the river mouth of 610. Jazz A4, descend maintain 3,000. Descend maintain 3,000, Jazz A4. Well, we couldn't orbit over the Messy Tunnel because the way now. Keep Bravo, orbit's approved. Let's go out. Identified, climb 12,000.
12,000, Jazz 307.
Cal 034, descend 5,000. Air Canada 034. 611, medevac, clear direct, hit now. I'm telling 170.
1 70, cargo jet 555, heading.
7 turn right, heading 170.
Right heading 170, Jazz 307.
GPS 9751 Hemi, ground negative, hold position. Target jet 555, descend 3,000, no restrictions again.
6 mile final, 0 mainland.
Behind you, and there's 37 set up off 82, push back your discretion.
Jazz 112, start the push.
Short of Delta Yankee. Mike current Vancouver altimeter 278.
Generate heading 210, so 611 medevac.
Weasel right 42, follow WestJet 37, taxi via Juliet Alpha. Juliet, Kilo, Ultra Victor.
Hello, WestJet,
For Vancouver, identified altimeter 2978. Vancouver heliport at the airport here or at the harbor? On setting 110. gate 90 in the alley. Push back at your discretion. Cat 341 Vancouver, good morning, runway 08 left, latest November, correct, descend 10,000, no speed restrictions. 3,000, turn left heading 040. 0 through 3,000 feet, just 236. No restrictions.
No restriction at kind of 101.
Osco 604 descend maintain 8.
Plan to be just ahead of the FedEx machine off your left.
399, turn left, heading 110 to intercept, clear down, let's approach from my survey. Taxi via Kilo Victor, Hold Short Hotel, contact ground there 1217.
Vancouver departure identified. Turn right heading 160 and climb to 16,000. Bravo. Alex Vessel 13 Vancouver identified 2979 Global Transit. Charlie 4312.
7, looks like you're at 500 feet, and check.
Final runway 08. Air Canada 551 Vancouver Tower. Good morning, clear to land. Please your way left. Morning. Takeoff runway 08 right. Clear.
The Aircraft is just waiting for an Airbus southbound on Juliet there, stand by one.
Turn right heading 190, climb to 16,000.
Heading 190, climb to 16,000, Jazzy. Definitely.
Normal speed.
34 Airbus off your left, southbound on Juliet, taxi by Kilo, Juliet, Bravo to the apron. Let's release right. Checking in, just leveling at 12,000 over egress with information November.
Area 926, Vancouver Alpha, runway 08 right, Oscar's current altimeter 2980.
Vancouver Tower, Northwest 312. 49, reposition, company north end.
JT99, descend to 2,000, speed 190 knots.
Well, just seem like a bean golf, and we'll be heading, guy point for the reason.
You're on the north line. We got the one pushed back behind you. On the bus inbound for gate 48 in about 2 minutes. Push back, make a discretion.
Over. Yeah, I guess sir. Don't mind, I'll just hold here until triple this line. Yeah, that's right.
Area 926, descend 109.
Yeah, they're just towards doing a runway inspection. And monitor tower down 1187.
Landing 7,000, 08 right. No.
Before Vancouver to first identify, climb 16,000.
Landing 16,000 in Canada.
Vancouver Tower, good morning. Decrease 055, cleared ILS, runway 08. 55, this is the ILS 8 flight 30 to 926.
Target 8, Circumvent 314 Heavy, cleared westbound for 7,000.
Canada 314 Heavy, Vancouver to first identify, climb 16,000.
16,000, Aircraft 314.
3,000. Thank you, 080.
Contact departure airborne. Notably on the roll, please. From Lima, clear takeoff. Runway 08. Down clear to 926, hit it. 2,500.
Actually, clear 223. Sort of final and contact Vancouver Tower 1195. Climb 16,000.
55, clear 223. 16,000. 08. Right. Just overcast.
Contact ground 127, 15.
Flight up 08 right, west at 127.
Russia 2154 checking on Victor.
WestJet 2154, ground taxi by Victor and Lima, cross runway 13.
Victor, Lima, cleared across runway 13, West 2154.
Oscar 202, descend 3,000.
One, hold for flight, contact ground 12715.
Close to ground 12715.
Pause discretion, just a few.
Canada 997, turn right heading 060, cleared ILS runway 08 left.
Traffic 0 for the ILS 08 left, Air Canada 997.
202, cleared ILS runway 08 left.
Air Canada 1046, turn right heading 170. Right, turn heading 170, Air Canada 1046.